There's a guy here called Penwell. How do you finance a person who refuses to pay maintenance? Maintenance. Ntwa e tsebang kuno tsamaya na a tsamaya. Mara ha patele maintenance. Rena le bana mo ba dikebekwa, criminals all over because of men like Penwell who are not paying maintenance. Where now you proudly associate yourself with such a person and then regard such a person as an influencer. Shame on you.
Hello, I'm Sadito Gossip Girl. On Thursday, the 30th of July 2026, Sir Julius Malema held an official EFF press conference at the headquarters of the EFF, Winnie Mandela headquarters. The briefing was mainly about the EFF next steps ahead of the local government election. He also spoke about the current political issues, government accountability, and answered questions from journalists and so forth. But what really triggered people talking, especially on social media, it is when Julius Malema spoke about McG as well as Penwell, the Black Pen. So this is the response from Penwell, the Black Pen. Julius Malema talking about me, my kids, and my struggle with access are a reminder of why men don't open up. Our vulnerabilities, struggles, attempts to be in our children's lives get weaponized and turned into jokes. This is why men get depressed and commit suicide. I have to take accountability for sharing my personal life online, being vulnerable about my struggles to access my kids, talking openly about having kids with multiple women, and owning my life decisions. Social media is not the right platform to talk about such. There are destructive people who will use this against you, and so-called influential people who will use this to tackle their fans, funders, and voters. It's said that I once believed in Julius Malema as the future of South Africa. I was wrong. As I'm wrong many times about politicians and other people with dodgy agendas, I try to open up to this where I can. Even though people attack me for it as well, please try to resolve personal matters in private, with professionals, and with people who genuinely care about you. Our society is broken and will project its traumas onto you when you open up. I'm sorry I shared my personal life. I have learned from my mistakes, and I'll try to do better as I grow and see the consequences of my actions. For the record, I love my children, I maintain my children, and I'm as present as I practically can be in all my children's lives. The only people who I ever need to impress in this regard is my children themselves, not their moms, and definitely not social media. End.